Looking for the best free AI video tools in 2026? Here are 5 amazing platforms that can help you create stunning videos in minutes. First, Page. It allows you to create realistic AI, avatars and professional presentations from simple text, perfect for business, training, and content creators. Next, Google Veo, one of the most powerful AI video generators, capable of creating cinematic, movie-quality videos with realistic motion and incredible visual effects. At number 3, Kling AI, famous for its realistic video generation, smooth animations, and highly accurate prompt understanding, a great choice for cinematic content. Then comes Luma Dream Machine. It transforms your ideas into beautiful AI videos with free daily credits, making it perfect for creators who need quick and creative results. And finally, InVideo AI. Simply enter one prompt, and it automatically creates the script, voiceover, visuals, and complete video for you. Ideal for YouTube Shorts, Reels, and marketing content. So, which AI video tool is your favorite? Follow Safdar for more AI tools, tech tips, and future technology updates.